Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, gather your sound file in MP3 or WAV format and ready it for transfer. Keep the clip under 30 seconds to avoid abrupt truncation by the system. Connect your phone via USB or use a cloud app to move the file into the notifications folder. If you cannot find that folder, create it at internal storage root. One UI5 and later will detect files in that folder when you open sound settings. Open Settings, then choose Sounds and Vibration to begin changing notifications. Tap Notifications sound to view system tones and the Add option at the bottom. Select Add and browse the Notifications folder to pick your MP3 or WAV file. Confirm selection to set the file as the system default notification sound. This change affects system alerts and most apps that rely on the default notification sound setting. To set an app-specific sound, open the app or system app notifications settings directly. Locate the app, tap Notifications, then choose the relevant notification category and pick Sound. For messages, open a conversation, tap the three dots, select Notification Sound, and choose your custom file. To set a contact tone, edit the contact in Contacts, tap Ringtone or Notification, and pick the file. These changes only affect the selected app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.